Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Most of us we use Chrome extension Super Auto Refresher, but we do not know how to use it properly. It has some negative sides. If we do not know the negative effect, we face some problems. So by this content, I hope you can know the proper use of auto refresher. You are very familiar about these apps, Super Easy Auto Refresher. Where do we use this extension? We use this extension in Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Why do we use this? To reload our pages within 3 or 5 minutes and show us in online. However, today I talk about the negative impact and proper uses of Super Auto Refresher. Hope you guys stay last of the content. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we make a mistake. Here you see the symbol of Super Auto Refresher. Okay, here you see some rows, and here you find 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 60 minutes. Most of us set 5 seconds. What happened? It is automatic refresh after 5 seconds. So never do this. You never select 5 or 10 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes for auto refresh of your face. It will be very harmful for your account. So select just 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes. Okay. And another mistake we do. This is a home page of Fiverr, but we use this auto refresher in this home page. Never do this. Never ever use Super Auto Refresher in home page. What can we do? We have to go to our profile, click on profile, and then you can select Super Auto Refresher, but it should be in 5 minutes. Here you see the countdown started. Okay, you should select auto refresher in your page, in your account, not in home page. Okay, I'll stop it. Then another mistake, we did another mistakes. Never use this refresher long time. Suppose you want to reload your face, you select 3 minutes for 1 or 2 hours. Then you have to change it. First you select, suppose you select 3 minutes, it's loaded 1 hour. Then after 1 hour or 2 hour, you have to change it into 5 minutes, so that the authority of Fiverr, freelancer or Upwork don't doubt on you. Your robot, the pages reload automatically, so they are not suspected towards you. Okay, what can we do? What is the negative impact of this Super Auto Refresher uses? The first negative impact is when you send buyer request. When you want to send buyer request, suppose send and click any of gig, then you begin write. But your auto refresher, you set auto refresher in 10 seconds. Suppose I write hello sir and I write something more, but when it is auto refresh, it is automatically gone. This is the negative impact. So whenever you whenever you want to write something, you have to stop this auto refresher. Otherwise, you write something but it is automatically reloaded and your written text will gone. Then another way, when you talk about the buyer, suppose go to message, then you write here something. Suppose you start auto refresher 30 seconds, you write a message. Complete your message. Practically see it. I write the message but it is automatically remove, automatically sweep. So this is the negative impact of super auto refresher. One thing should you mind, what can you do without using super auto refresher? You can enable the notifications of your Windows and go to settings, and then Chrome has the notification. Okay, then here you find the notification options and turn on it. And if you use in mobile, and you have to open the notification bar, then automatically some apps background data or notify you, then you will show in online. This way you can use auto refresher. Never use auto refresher long time. So save your account, be safe with the using of auto refresher. Okay, last request, if you are newcomer to my channel, please subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much.